Hi, boys. I see you over there. That's my Mason and my Mr. Frankers. They're best friends. Yeah. Mace, are you trying to pet Frankie? Are you trying to give him a little petting? Mason. I see you. I see you. Oh, Frankie must have heard our neighbor. Huh. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Mason. Peekaboo. I see you. Is that your Mr. Frankers? He loves to give you kisses. Franklin, not on the lips. Frankie. You boys are best friends, aren't you? Mason. I see you over there. I see you over there. Yo, Frankie loves to kiss you, huh? Does he love to give you kisses? Hi, Bumby. Are you trying to eat the camera? Mason. I see you. Macers. Peekaboo. What are you doing over there? Just hanging out in your bumbo chair? You and your Mr. Frankers. Who's this? Your cow? Try to reach for him. Frankie just loves to give you kisses. Hi, Mr. Franklin. Frankie. Frankie. You just like to sleep right next to your baby, huh? You're very comforted by each other. You are best friends. Bumby, what are you doing over there? Bumby? I see you, Bumby. Bumby, I see you. Macers. Say hi to your grandma and grandpa. Say hi to them. Can you talk? Are you trying to reach out and give them a hug? Oh, you're saying hi there, aren't you? Yes. What else can you say? You try to eat your toes, huh? Try to eat that little toe there, buddy. You're very close. You can do it. You can do it, Macer. Get it. Get your toe. Where'd your Frankie go? Franklin? Hi, buddy. I love you too. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. We're gonna try to get them this video. close, Mace. Get that toe. Get that toe. I see you. Bumby. Bumby. Peekaboo. Bumby. Give Grandma and Grandpa one last smile. Can you give them a smile? Bumpers. One more smile. Okay, say goodbye. I'm going to keep trying to suck my toe.